Hi, Dad.
Hey, it's ready for you to make slingshot balls.
Alright. Okay,
Hot,
we are
hot.
melting lead.
Okay, grab it, and see what happens.
Whoa!
He wants to learn
That's
hard.
cool! That's cool!
Man, get your slingshot ball
Alright.
over here and pull it up and down and start making balls.
Dad, look it! I can actually
Hi, Dad.
hold one.
Yeah,
Oh,
hey,
there's a good one.
just film what we're doing. You don't
See,
gotta
they
film
come
me.
out really good. Those are good bullets there.
Yeah, mine's still.
I can actually touch them.
Here, put the good ones over here. Put the bad
Film this right here.
ones. Put the bad ones.
Stop it and then refill.
You can use this one if you want. You have to do them all.
No, I like this little thing.
Okay, do it that way. Whatever's working. Oh, these are too bad. Bad ones. Where's the slingshot balls at? Where's the mold for the slingshot balls? Here it is.
Right here.
No, I got it right here. See? We'll make round balls for the slingshot. Let's make some of those.
Are these real bullets?
Yep, they're real bullets. They'll kill an elephant.
Yes.
It'll take a little while. Where's my camera?
Should be starting to get some big ones in a minute.
Hot. Show your brother. Go show your brother. Hurry up.
Watch out! Don't trip over this stuff. Remember what you're doing.
Hey, Max. Whenever you're ready, you start making your balls.
Alright.
It's getting hot. Like.
Oh, it's getting hot? You should wrap this glove around the other glove. Where's that little glove? Here, put this in there when you pick up on it and wrap it around the handle.
Yeah, the handle gets
Yeah.
hot, huh?
Everything gets hot. That's why if it's hot, it's working good though. Did you ever get them? You get them already?
Yeah, all the slingshot bullets are.
And this is a finished product of our weights. A whole bunch of weights. 4 ounce. Those are about $1 a piece. Look at all that. Pretty much now, I just take this file and file these little nubs off that are on the top, so your line don't get snagged in them. Some of them got a pretty big, see like that. You just gotta file that little nub off. But that is a whole lot of fishing weights. Oh yeah.